Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting indefinite integral. Integral of 1 divided by x cubed plus x minus 30 dx. So let's get started. Now, this cubic expression here can be factorized. Okay? X cubed plus x minus 30 is same as x cubed plus x, then negative 30 is same as negative 27 minus 3, which is same as x cubed minus 27 plus x minus 3. Now this is equal to x cubed minus 3 cubed plus x minus 3. If you use the difference of two cubes formula here, remember a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared. Then this is going to become x minus 3 into bracket x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared 9, and here plus x minus 3, of which if we factor out the common, which is x minus 3, then we're left with x squared plus 3x plus 10. So therefore, we have to integrate I, which will be equal to the integral of 1 divided by x minus 3 into bracket x squared minus x squared plus 3x plus 10, and here dx. Now we're going to decompose this into sums of partial fractions. That is 1 divided by x minus 3 x squared plus 3x plus 10, which we're going to let this equals a number divided by x minus 3 and then plus b times x plus c divided by x squared plus 3x plus 10. Now when you multiply both sides by x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 10, we're left with 1 here. This will be equal to a multiplied by this one here, x squared plus 3x plus a 10. And here plus, here we have bx plus c, and then multiply by x minus 3. Now to solve for a, we're going to let the denominator equal 0 and solve for x, which means if you let x equals 3 here, this whole expression here vanishes, right? Then we're left with 1 is equal to a into brackets, so 3 squared plus 3 times 3 here plus 10 is giving us 28. Divide both sides by 28, we get our a value, which will be equal to 1 divided by 28. Now to solve for b and c, we're going to let this one equal 0, which will give us a quadratic equation. And when you solve it, we get two complex solutions, of which we're going to let x equals one of the roots, negative 3 by 2, plus I root of 31 divided by 2. Therefore, the left-hand side we have 1 will be equal to, if we plug that in here, everything here becomes 0. So we have b times this root here plus c multiplied by this root minus 3. And if you do this simplification nicely, we're going to have I, then into brackets. So we're going to have c square root of 31 divided by 2, then minus here 12b all over 4, right? Is that 12b or 2b? Well, let us proceed. We're going to find out. Okay, so here we're going to have square root of 31. So here we have here this bracket close negative b minus 9c by 2. So this left hand side we can express it as 1 plus 0i. Then we compare accordingly, okay? Which means this is going to be equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, then we have that 12b root of 31 over 4 is going to be equal to root of 31 over 2c. So simplifying nicely, multiplying both sides by 4 and dividing both sides by root of 31, we find out that 2c equals 12b, which is giving us c is equal to 6b. Interesting, right? And if you let this one equals 1, right? Yeah. So we're going to have 2 will be equal to negative 2b minus 9c. So here, remember that c is equal to 6b. If you plug it in, we finally have negative 56b is equal to 2. Divide both sides by negative 56. We get b is equal to negative 1 over 28. Plug that in here and simplifying, we get c is equal to negative 3 all over 14. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, now so here I mean 1 divided by x minus 3 into bracket x squared plus 3x plus 10 will be equal to 1 divided by 28 divided by x minus 3, and in here plus will be negative x by 28 minus 3 by 14 whole divided by x squared plus 3x plus a 10. Okay, now so from here, I will be equal to the integral of this. First, the integral of this one here is given us 1 by 28 times the natural log of x minus 3. And here, so what exactly are we going to do here? So we need to manipulate that nicely, right? Okay. Oh my God. If you factor out negative 1 over 28, then we're going to left with 2 without 2x. I mean x, right? Yes. So x here, and then plus 6, yes. Then divided by x squared plus 3x plus 10 dx. We're coming. So again, multiply by 1 over 2, 2 over 2, I mean. So we get I is equal to 1 by 28, the natural log of x minus 3. And here minus 1 by 56, you get the idea. Then into bracket, I mean, the integral of 2x. This will be 2x here. This will be 12, but we split it as plus 3 and then plus 9. Then divided by x squared plus 3x plus 10 dx. So here I is going to be equal to 1 by 28, the natural log of x minus 3 minus 56 minus 1 over 56. Then the integral of split the denominator. Yes, so this is what we have from here. Dx, and then minus 9 by 56, the integral of 1 divided by x squared plus 3x plus a 10 dx. So the derivative of this denominator is equal to the numerator, so this will be the natural log of the denominator. If you recall that the integral of f prime of x divided by f of x dx is simply equals natural log of f of x plus c. Okay, so here I is going to be equal to 1 by 28, the natural log of x minus 3. Here minus 1 by 56, the natural log of x squared plus 3x plus 10, right? And here minus 9 by 56, the integral of complete the denominator, complete the square of the denominator, right? So here this can be written as x squared plus 2 times x times 3 by 2 plus 3 over 2 squared, it gives us 9 over 4 plus 31 over 4. And here we have the x. You see that this here is a perfect square. So here I equals 1 by 28, the natural log of x by minus 3, minus 1 by 56, the natural log of x squared plus 3x plus 10. And simplifying nicely here, we gonna have negative 9 times 4 by 56, then integral of 1 divided by 2x plus 3 squared plus root of 31 whole squared, and here dx. Okay, so if you make a substitution here, letting 2x plus 3 equals a variable, differentiating both sides to get 2 something, right? So dx will be the derivative of the right hand side divided by 2, and I know you must be familiar with what I'm talking about here. So here I is going to be equal to here multiplied by 2 by 2. That means this will be squared. Combine these natural logarithms, we get 1 by 56, the natural log of, that will be x squared minus 6x plus 9, then divided by x squared plus 3x plus 18. This will be minus, 1 over 2, 4 times 1 over 2 is 2, 2 reduces this one to 28, and this will give us 9 by 28 root of 31 times the inverse tangent of 2x plus 3 divided by root of 31 plus c. So this right over here is our solution. If you enjoyed the video, kindly subscribe, also like, comment, and share.